Come this night with
ऋषि ने नहीं बता नो पहले अपन बोलते हैं ना सो नहीं रुक पहले हिंदी में बोलता हाँ तो जस्ट अभी आइडिया क्लिक हुआ ऋषि को ऋषि ने बोला जस्ट कि आज कुछ अलग करते हैं क्या मतलब क्या तो ऋषि ने बोला कि आज पूरा दिन इंग्लिश में बातें करनी है सबको कोई भी हिंदी शब्द का उच्चार नहीं करेगा
हिंदी में पूरा
या दूसरे मराठी शब्द का उच्चार नहीं ओनली इंग्लिश शिवराम में मजा आने वाला है चलो our time starts
Aryan doesn't know about it.
Aryan
The thing is that today we are doing only English speaking challenge. So throughout the whole day we have to speak in English. No matter what. No Hindi words, no Marathi words, no nothing. No regional languages, nothing.
I'm just joking man
The thing is, when you speak English, it kind of feels that you are more professional.
you just observe one thing when you start speaking English now your accent
Your
accent changes like
Anything,
oh my
man.
god yeah and I just want to tell that please ignore my English
Please ignore him.
why are you becoming a businessman bro you're talking like a
Today we are going to discuss about how to earn millions in 10 minutes. I'll find it out and I'll get back to you once I know.
First you ask question to others then say no wait I will only answer what is this bro
Yes,
bro are you Oxford dictionary
actually I am educated from Ryan's College of Hotel Management.
hey
Hotel management. What is this, bro? I thought you were saying that I was graduate.
oh the real boy is here
Bad
we are
luck.
taking Spider-Man we are taking time please because एक शूट था तो फटाक से करके आते 2 मिनट में ए टाइम प्लीज टाइम
He lost.
Time please लिया है.
He lost.
Time
No,
please.
no. The only time you can break your English character is the time when you are on shoot.
okay look at that guy oh my god what is this
He have wings. He have wings.
You have wings. Just grab him and put him on.
No.
Hut. Yes.
Bruno.
One time, only one time. He's running.
bye bro what you have come to take bro
Huh?
what you have come to take today what is this bro challenge we are doing na English challenge bro yaar
My bad.
you forgot man
My bad.
what are the bhajis
I
you
was
have?
discussing script with Tanmay in Hindi na, so that's why I forgot.
Acha.
Yeah.
What are the bhajis?
Bhaji, you want?
No, just explain. I just.
There is
Nah.
don't ask.
No, you have.
There is
You have.
paneer
Okay, yeah, it's paneer.
and it's
What?
lentils.
Lentils. Oh my god.
Google. Wait, Google doing?
Yes. Points are counting, huh, bro? Your points are getting counted.
What points? Yeah, it's lentils only. Like similar thing. Beans. Yeah, beans. Paneer.
Yeah. What is this?
Huh?
What is this?
That's a finish, so we don't consider that.
Oh my
Then
god.
it comes.
This.
What
You
is that
can
called?
this.
Huh?
You can.
This is cabbage.
Is this cabbage?
Yeah, that's cabbage and potato.
It's that na.
Cabbage,
peas.
potato. No, cabbage, potato, and peas.
Okay.
It's a mixture of that.
And
And there
what's
is-
that?
That is
क्या?
wanga. Hey,
Wanga?
minus.
अरे
No. Anyone you speak in English. What? That is
brinjal, bro.
Oh my God, you know
Come on, man.
brinjal, and this is nothing else. It's called jalebi.
It's jalebi, bro. It's jalebi.
Yeah, and I'm taking.
Yeah. Vidan has take jalebi also for us.
Okay.
Taken jalebi for us. I'll just go and come, bro. So now it's 4:22. We just ate our food.
We
Just have lunch. Have our lunch.
Have our lunch in breakfast time.
Eh. Which breakfast, bro?
Tea.
What a bro. What happened, bro? Why you wear school costume?
I got trapped by Tanmay. Tannu baby.
Tanmay always says fast, go, change, and then
Actually, we were shooting now one short video, but we have to send some brand script ASAP, so we have to do that.
You have to drop the plan.
But Golu listen to Tanmay, Golu changed. Golu listen to Tanmay, Golu changed. अरे
New level unlocked.
minus point should be on
Very,
the
very, very, very low.
If you speak such bad English, then you are minus.
परत टक्कर होईल.
I want to speak, but the laugh inside me. The way you come inside now, I can't control my laugh. Actually, we are here to upload our rough because in studio there is no light. So that's why we came in the cafe. We came to the cafe. That's why we came to cafe to upload the rough, and here we are uploading the rough, and it's almost done. In 10 minutes the video will be live. The rough will be live. Here is my hot chocolate, guys, and
What do you have order for me?
hot mocha.
Is it good?
I don't even know.
Then what is this?
What is this?
Naan katai.
Diwali coming.
Biscuit, chai biscuit.
I'm tasting now. Not bad.
I should get a stick sugar.
Oh,
It's a bit, what we call it?
salty.
Salt. It's a bit strong.
Oh my god, okay. Cool, man. You have this. You have this.
I'm Spider-Man, no?
Red.
Let's taste naan katai.
What are you doing, bro? What was that? What is the use of that? I don't even know. Please, if you know, then comment below. Oh, there is no light in studio still.
Still there is no light in studio, so
Yeah,
let's
right.
see what we do. And we are just sending a file. And let's see.
Finish your English, but finish.
Look at what he talking. Hey, minus point. Show.
See this.
Oh my God! What
I
is
got
this?
a little jackfruit on the
So
road.
Tanmay is a pro jackfruit guy, basically.
But I randomly got this while walking on road.
Okay. So what are we doing now, Guru?
Nothing, bro. Now script and all.
Cut.
What should I do, man?
this song.
If I feel that
Now sing this song in English.
go ahead. I don't know the lyrics accurate in Hindi. What song was it?
I'll show you Hindi lyrics, okay?
You show me the lyrics. I'll translate. I'll translate. Bro got caught now. He's gonna do a task. Hey, no, give me some other song. Why this only, man? This only.
Hey, don't touch my hairs. I get irritated a lot.
Hairs, your hairs. I'll sing that. Aankhon mein teri.
Hey, no Hindi.
See, as you can see, guys, this is written
In English.
in English. Means it's basically Hindi but written in English.
Yeah. Understandable, bro.
Yeah.
In your eyes, there are different expressions. Oh, aankhon mein aru. In your eyes, there are different expressions.
Why is Kolava?
Make my heart swing like a kite. That is your air. ये तेरी वो हवाएं है.
Oh my god, that is your air.
Danger, good translation. You should be a translation.
हाँ. Come this night which.
Punjabi. You mean Punjabi? Come this night which.
You want from Kerala to Punjab?
This night which.
ओए बल्ले बल्ले ओए.
Come this night which.
Come this night which.
Sing.
Now banger team.
Sing that line.
अरे I know that, but in this मुझको इतना बताए कोई, how can it translate it? Just tell me something. Why you?
You get now. He also sings.
Heart knows. Heart no
Stranger Things.
to me. Just someone tell me something. Why you and heart no? Arey no, this is heart. Let me give different song.
अरे you only tell ना.
Let me select some different song.
No. अर्ज क्या है?
But I have no idea what to say. Okay, let's give me the lyrics. I will try. Express. Okay. Nor Mirza na not expert na express.
Express which express?
Not
Konkan Kanya Express.
Not in this context, man.
Not
But it's okay, as you wish.
not expert, not or not expert or not
Feels like
express.
he's crying.
I do any new. हाय को कैसे बोलूं हाय.
Hey. Do it in accent, bro.
Hey, but whatever I write, I have lived it. Yes, lived it. How? No, this is hard to sing, bro.
Okay, now Arpan's turn.
अरे
You
यार.
sing some whatever you want.
No, you give na.
You? Okay, I'll give. We have called a legend singer here also. What song? Sing that in front of my window.
What? अरे I know.
The girl lives.
I saw
Okay.
moon lives in front of my window.
Haan.
What?
Moon live in front of my window.
Start what you say.
Yeah, lyrics.
No name of the song, Ray. My front side of window, one moon part is leaving.
Take your lyrics, man. Take your lyrics.
Regrets that she disappoint.
Disappoint.
ठीक है, disappoint. In front of my home window, one moon part live there. I am done now. Tanmay.
Some Urdu words are bit hard. No, don't worry. You will do well.
What song?
I am listening.
Huh?
समझा. Sorry, understand.
I got.
Yes.
I got it.
Crying I am. I'm not getting the right.
It's like
Just-
are you listening?
Right.
Banger.
I am crying.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's go.
Banger.
What was that?
Same note.
Okay, which song should I sing?
These days.
Okay, these days. Okay.
These days, my heart is telling me you make
will go that way. You, darling, 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 Flowers, flowers grows in the garden. Flowers grows in the garden, darling. Go that way.
Good one.
You also have permission. You also do love. You also have permission. You also love.
My heart
Sing. You sing.
In first eyesight, what magic you have done. In first eyesight, what magic you have done. It's yours, my heart, I'm sitting down. My heart is yours, taking it down. How you were there, how I am here. Come in my, come in my hands. Come fast, oh my love, 2 worlds apart. Come in my hands and forget. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you so. Baby, I love you.
First of all, I'd like to tell you guys, I'm not capable of this game. I'm not capable of singing a song, but I will try. Because try, but don't cry. So I'm ready with my song, guys. Please give me. Please. What do we say, yaar? I'm sorry for future. My. Arey, what's the particular word for? माफी कर दो. What is?
माफी कर दो. What is
Forgive me.
What is this?
Yeah,
Basic
sorry, man. Sorry, I'm so sorry. This friendship we will not ever break. We will break if but we will not left your side. This friendship. Sorry, guys. I am capable of this much only.
Guys, you want to showcase this?
Yeah, you want to see?
Listen.
Again. Oh my God.
So as I told you, I got a little jackfruit here. So I'm gonna cut it. So let's see what's inside it. Whoa!
What is this?
What's that?
It got bad from this part. That's it.
But I'm thinking it's not a jackfruit. We are been don't know what is it.
It's a jack. No, it's not a jackfruit.
What is this?
It's not a jackfruit.
It's not a
What
jackfruit.
happening?
It's some kind of fruit which grow on wild.
Yes, I know that.
Right?
Wild trees. Wild bushes.
We'll ask Gemini what is exactly called.
Those are actually sycamore seed balls. While the spiky texture can look a bit like a tiny jackfruit, they're just the fruiting bodies of the sycamore tree.
Sigma tree. Sigma tree.
Everyone here. Okay. So we got something special here.
What is this?
This is a parcel we have received from a fan.
Yeah.
And we won't unbox it now. No?
Yeah, I won't unbox it.
We'll unbox it tomorrow in the tomorrow's rough.
Because we can express our feeling very
Yeah,
better.
in you know what Hindi. In
Yeah,
like
yeah.
no, if this is so weird.
Congested.
Interested, yes.
Oh my God, nice vocabulary and all. Okay, so yeah, we'll unbox this tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we'll end this rough.
So yeah,
here.
stay tuned for that rough.
That next rough.
Next rough? Yeah, next rough.
Yeah, in the next rough only.
Yeah, in the next rough.
So we'll end this rough here.
Yo!
And we hope you loved our English.
Yes.
Na?
English.
Everyone is very.
Nice English. Yeah, I have speak very much.
Who lose, man?
Huh? No one lose. Everyone win.
No one lose, everyone
Everyone
wins
is-
because we all are the winners and we all are not the losers, eh?
What? Okay, let's end this rough. No cut. Let's end this rough here.
Yo.
And like, share, and subscribe. And
And tell in the comments whose English was better.
oh yeah,
I think
yeah, both. Okay, so tell us who translated the song better. There is raining a lot.
so. Stay tuned,
Yes.
and we'll meet in
Next.
We are very excited to know.
Yes.
The one who have sent.
We'll reveal
I
it
don't
tomorrow.
know
the
the
name.
name. Nah, tomorrow.
Okay. We'll just tell you tomorrow who have sent it.
But,
we'll give a nice shout out to
yeah.
her.
But
the
whoever,
fan, yeah.
but whoever has sent this, we received the parcel. So
Yes.
don't be in attention if your parcel haven't
Yeah.
received.
So just don't
sorry,
be in
sorry.
worry.
Yeah.
We have got it and we'll open it and yeah.
Bro, don't stretch.
Okay, so let's end this rough here.
Yeah.
In our nice accents of English.
Yeah, man.
Like it and subscribe it.
Yeah.
Subscribe to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Comment also.
Like and subscribe to the channel, man.
Oh yeah, like it and subscribe to the channel.
Yo.
And
Hopefully you love our roughs and we'll end this rough here. We'll meet you in the next rough.
Okay, take care.
It's a goodbye.
are we looking like 3 idiots?
We are idiots.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. No, I'll do it. No, Gul do it.
Do it.
No, Aryan do it.
What the hell?
Bye.
ए चलो भाई खत्म हो गया अभी यार नॉर्मल बोलो
खुला
बाबा
मराठीमध्ये बोला.
चलो रिलीफ मिल गया बाय बाय टेक केयर लव यू